So far, a lot of the shares that we've created have been visible and open to all of the users in our environment. Visible meaning easily searchable and easily accessible. There are times where that is not the desired goal. Before we get into that, or in order to do that, let's go to our test evolve first. And I'm going to create a folder. So I'm going to right click, new folder, and I'm going to create a folder called hide me. Now that we have that done, I want to actually see what shares I have available on my system. So I'm going to come down here to the search bar, going to type in / server SA1, which is my machine's name. And we'll see right there are the shares that we've created so far. I want to create a new share for my hide me folder that we just created that doesn't show up in this list. I want a hidden share. In order to do that, we're going to do this in a slightly different manner. We're going to go up to computer management, and underneath the system tools, shared folders, and shares. I'm going to go ahead and right click and say new share. Next. The path is h:/hide me. I could also click browse to go to that location. Let's do that. Hide me. Okay. And next. And then it asks for a share name. And I'm going to change the share name. Instead of just hide me, it's going to be hide me $. The lab says do this not only for the name, but also for the description. I will do that simply because it says that for the lab. The description is not super critical, however, for it to be hidden. And next. I'll stay with the default permissions. Let's see. No, all users have full, other users have read only. Administrators have full, all others have read. Okay, per the lab. Finish. At this point, my new share is done created, has been finished creating, and now when I look at my server SA1, I still do not see it. And even if I press F5, or press the refresh button here, the share still doesn't show up. However, that doesn't mean that the share doesn't exist. If I go to the address bar here and I have / server A1, server SA1 / and now hide me $, I will see I'm now connected to the hide me share. Yeah, so by having the $sign included into the name there, it will hide the share from casual users. If I could now go back to Computer Manager, I'll see not only do I have shares, but I also have a sessions button here. And I will see if I refresh my page, it should shortly show a connection to the hide me share. Not sure why that's not showing up details. All right, it took a minute. Oh, it was just there. It showed the fact that administrator was there with 2 open files. There we go. Administrator server SA1, 2 open files, and the amount of connect time. Additionally, I can go to open files and see which files are open. And here we can see it is actually just the folder itself. I have 2, so I must have actually clicked on hide me twice, as opposed to the one that was suggested by the lab.